Toni Morrison's Nobel Lecture in Literature, 1993. Toni Morrison's Nobel Lecture in Literature, delivered in 1993, is a profound meditation on the power and responsibility of language. The lecture is structured around a parable involving an old blind woman, which Morrison uses to explore themes of storytelling, truth, and the ethical obligations of those who wield words. The Parable of the Blind Woman. Morrison begins with a story about an old blind woman, who is confronted by a group of young people. They present her with a challenge, asking whether the bird they hold is alive or dead. This parable serves as a metaphor for the nature of language itself. The blind woman's inability to see the bird symbolizes the limitations of understanding and interpretation inherent in language. The bird represents language, alive, dynamic, and subject to manipulation. Language as a living force. Morrison argues that language is not merely a tool for communication but a living force that shapes reality. She emphasizes that language has the power to oppress and liberate. It can perpetuate stereotypes and control narratives, but it also has the potential to empower individuals by allowing them to articulate their experiences and truths. Morrison warns against using language to dehumanize or marginalize others, urging instead for its use in fostering understanding and justice. The responsibility of storytellers. Throughout her lecture, Morrison underscores the responsibility that comes with storytelling. She calls on writers to recognize their role in shaping perceptions and influencing societal norms. Storytellers have the duty to challenge dominant narratives and give voice to marginalized perspectives. Morrison highlights how language can be used to resist oppression and promote empathy and compassion. The role of imagination. Imagination plays a crucial role in Morrison's vision of storytelling. She believes that imagination allows individuals to transcend their immediate circumstances and envision new possibilities. Through imaginative storytelling, writers can challenge societal norms and inspire change. Morrison sees imagination as a tool for both personal liberation and social transformation. Language as a tool for change. Morrison's lecture also addresses the potential of language as a tool for change. She argues that by carefully choosing words and crafting narratives, storytellers can influence public discourse and contribute to social progress. Language becomes a means of asserting identity, reclaiming agency, and advocating for justice. Conclusion? In conclusion, Toni Morrison's Nobel Lecture is a powerful reflection on the transformative power of language. She calls on writers and storytellers to wield words with care and integrity, recognizing their potential to shape human experience. By doing so, they can contribute to creating a more just and empathetic world. Morrison's lecture remains a timeless reminder of the ethical obligations that accompany the privilege of storytelling, emphasizing that language is not only a reflection of reality but also a force that can alter it. Thank you for watching.